Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and make sure number one in the description is the link to Bybit. Make sure you sign up before 12 days before Christmas. I'm going to do 12 days of Christmas presents. I gave $2,000 away. I'm going to give many more $1,000s away going into Christmas. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into and the market. Uni was down 3%. Yes, Doge up 3% again today. Beautiful. If you bought it with me at half a cent, at 5 cents. Now it's 10 cents. Solana 2.8%. Unity 2.5. That wasn't open. It was the Sunday. FXS 2%. MCRT up 2%. Beautiful day in the markets for all coins. Bitcoin 3,810. Not much movement at all. Still heading up on the first wave, but close to the first wave finish in my opinion. Daily, that my original target was 46,900. Bull flagging still. I would still take that trade out of the bull flag. Volume dropped on the weekend. It looks like it came down and activated the trade, but I'm not 100%. But I think it did actually activate the trade from yesterday and already in profits. Where I would take a trade, if not entered, where I would take a trade now is still on these supports. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin, because it's just too close to that original target that I had, so I need to pull it back to supports to open a trade. My original target back in October was 46,900. I think Bitcoin at that time back in October was all the way at 27,000. So we already went from 27,000 to 46,900, my target, which no one believed me when I told them. But that's the trade I would take, opening at 43,434, stop loss 43,248. The gray line is where the trade opens, the red line is where the stop loss hits, and which will automatically close my trade, as I teach you in the crypto master course number 2 in the description. 46,961 is the trade. Take profit. 18 risk to reward ratio, risking $186 to make $3,527 with no leverage. 10x leverage 35,000, 100x leverage 350,000. Let's go closer time frame. That's a trade I would take. I think we would have a little bit of a pullback, which is beautiful. That's a trade on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my Ethereum trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus, and make sure you've signed up to Bybit using this link to claim the Christmas presents that I'm going to give away going into Christmas. 2, take the master course to learn technical analysis, how to open trades, long, shorts, everything you saw, how to open the charts, how to read the charts, etc. 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you. Also, yesterday, this is interesting information. 10 million more PayPal USD in Frax Finance. So in Frax Finance, which is FXS, which is one of the cryptos that I own, which I'm very bullish about. How many signs do you need to know that Frax is working closely with PayPal? Transaction happened 22 hours ago. So PayPal now has $10 million on Frax. And look at this FXS. We bought it back down here at like $5. Now it's at $8.90, but the all-time high was $43. And look at that W formation, and the volume is getting bigger on Frax. As I teach you in the crypto master course, volume predicts price, and you can see the volume is climbing for FXS. So I put an order over on Bybit, over on my Bybit account. My Bitcoin trade, $73,599 in the profits on my Bitcoin trade. $73,600, 498%. It's a $233,000 trade, now $73,000 in the profits. It's a 7 Bitcoin trade. In this account, $504,711. I've got 2 Bitcoin, 91,000, 71,000 USDT, $58,000 of Doge, up 2%. $57,000 of FXS, of Uniswap, down 4%, some big sell-off. FXS, $40,000, and you can see it's at $9. MCRT, $35,000, up 2.2%. SUI, that's what I'm holding in this account. And I've got a trade open to buy more FXS at $8.91. So you can see here, FXS, $8.91. I'm going to buy another $10,000 worth of FXS at $8.91 based off this news about PayPal. Let's look at FXS quickly if there will be a pullback. But I'm seeing the volume getting bigger. Whenever I see volume climbing, okay, this is on the hourly chart. Yeah, best place to take along is $8.20. That's a really strong support at $8.20. If there's any sell-off on Bitcoin, you can easily catch that at $8.20. I've got my order at $8.90 just because I think it's through the major resistance and the volume is growing. So if there is any announcement, and look at that giant W formation on FXS. If there is any announcement, FXS will just pump. If it says that they're connected with PayPal, if it's confirmed or announced, it will go to $13. That's why I'm accumulating. But I'll buy more. The best is $8.20 to buy more FXS. Let's quickly go into Ethereum. 2,350, broken out early, pulled back a little bit, came close to activating the trade yesterday, but not yet activated. I would still take the same trade off support on Ethereum here. That's a trade I'll take on Ethereum. 2,306, stop loss 2272, take profit 2684. Risk reward is 11 times. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. And let's go, once you sign up, so down here in the description of the video, go down below, you sign up to the exchanges, all the exchanges, but Bybit, you need to sign up to claim the Christmas prizes. 2 and 3, once you join us in Telegram, you join us into this chat. And here you can see, I work for worldwide company JSG. James, we're waiting for a video. Scammer tried to DM me guru. Guys, I'll never DM you. This guy made $73 profit, $326 profit on AVAX. Send Doge to the moon. Elon Musk unsuspends Alex Jones. This is inside our Telegram. AVAX, $51 target, someone said. BNB, looks like it's someone went bullish on BNB, $255, long BNB. This guy made profit, $774 profits. Just took some more profits. Good job. This guy 39%, this guy 65%. This is just this morning. It's sunrise, so it's just this very early morning traders that are still up, or maybe people from other countries. FTT, he was down 33%, up 15%. These are trades from this morning, which is beautiful. All of you trading, meanwhile me. It's okay, everyone started at zero, guys. Everyone thinks that a lot of people started off rich. It's not true. It's like, I read a statistic that it's like 80% of people start off with nothing. And most people lose their generational wealth by the second generation. Love you all. That's updates on Bitcoin, FXS, which I'm going to buy $10,000 more. I haven't been buying much since the run-up. The account already pumping. And Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and turn on the bell, and stay tuned to these videos. Make sure you're watching every video, and make sure you're signed up to Bybit and subscribed here and on Twitter. Going 12 days of Christmas, I'm going to give more Christmas presents away. I already gave away 2,000. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.